What we really talked about in the presentation that I gave is how we are developing implants based on 3D printing that are patient-specific. And in this case, it was a wrist implant. And what I presented was really some of the work required to get the material and the entire process approved for a first-in-human clinical trial. So in this approach, we also presented how we explored different types of time compression technologies, from stereolithography to rapid tooling, as well as injection molding. And the surprising thing is we actually found that some of the traditional technologies like injection molding to produce patient-specific implants were much better than the current 3D printing technologies. This may come as a surprise to many, but the truth is, to get the bulk mechanical properties of a material, a number of these 3D printing technologies that rely on a layer-by-layer approach do not have the same mechanical properties as something that is injected into a mold, where the bulk properties can be maintained. Now, this may come as a surprise to many, because 3D printing is very much a hype. But the truth is, we've got to recognize that the conventional industries like injection molding are not waiting for an extinction event. They are also improving, and they are becoming faster. And so I think this was perhaps the best wake-up call to those really thinking about only one route without looking at some of the established approaches. The other thing is, you've got to remember that what was a guiding principle throughout our work was the implant has got to be safe. So if you have a new material and a new process, generally there are greater risks. We used an established material with a new process, albeit time compressed, and that gave us a greater likelihood of developing a safe implant for this particular application. The second thing was really looking at the regulatory pathway to approval. So until very recently, the pathway to patient-specific implants or customized implants was not very clear. But now, and under the new medical device regulations, we really followed almost a checklist that allowed us to select the best pathway for approval of this device.